gonna slowly make our way down to Fort Lauderdale, right? 102 miles, something like that. And get staged to pick up our next load. So let's get this day started. Truck's fired up, everything's running good. Sounds like it's gonna be a fun day. Thank you for being here. Thank you for stopping back. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this out with your friends. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't do is grow this channel without your help. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button again, share this out. Let people know we're here. There's not very many of us that film on a regular basis doing what we do, so get us out there, get us to more people, let people know that there's a different side of the industry. So let's get today started. Let's get out of this Lowe's and get headed south. The air is thick. We're in Florida, if you don't know, and we're heading to Dallas, so let's go. Alright, y'all. Well, people are a little uppity in these areas of the town when we do stuff like this, but we're at their shipper, or our first stop. There's 3 pickups. There's this one, another one after this, and then another one on the other side of Florida. But we're at our first pickup. Storm clouds are rolling in. Truck's all set up, as you can see. Lift gates down. Everything's ready. So we're here and we're just waiting. When it rains, it pours pretty much. Just found out that I got some batteries going bad on the truck, so gonna have to get those replaced. We just got DPF pump replaced. It's all part of the business. It's all part of it, so hopefully we can make it work. There's ways we can get our APU to start up, stuff like that, and then we can shut the truck off. It's just part of running stuff that everything runs on electric in the back of the truck. So anyways, they need a better charging system in some of these old trucks, and it's wore out. But anyways, we're here, we're doing our thing, so we'll just wait. All right, y'all, first one done. Let's get out of here. We gotta wait till about 11:30 before we can get to the next one. So there's a Walmart about 6 miles from us, and that's where we're headed. So let's get over there and hang out, go do some grocery shopping, I guess. Let's go. Picking up. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you the street. I'm not gonna show you much more than what you see here, but this is where we're picking up. All right, y'all, we are loaded finally. Took 3 hours for them to do it, and now we're on to our last stop off where they're gonna unload. And they didn't give me any bills of lading, so I don't know. Anyways, here we go. Someone always wonders why is there dog food in their shoe. Anyways. You know what I don't like? Sometimes when you're sitting somewhere and the truck next to you starts rolling back, even though your truck's shut off and the brakes are pulled, and you think that you're rolling away. Yeah. Anyways, we're done. I'm done. Been a long day. We're shutting it down. I'm shutting it down for the night. I'm going to take a nap. The wife's going to start driving. We're in Florida still. We just stopped at our first location to kick some product off. It wasn't much. I didn't film anything. There's some people around, whatever. So, I'm gonna do it.
I got it.
She's doing the logs. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. I need a nap. I was a little sleepy. She's gonna drive all she can drive, and then we should be in Dallas tomorrow. And then I'm gonna call in the morning and see if we can't kick this load off early. So, that's that. So we'll see you in the morning. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for stopping back. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this out. And let's grow this community together. Appreciate it. Good morning, YouTube. Hello, friends. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's good. Just stopped off here at this Love's to get fuel, start my day. Pre-trip is done, and we're getting ready to pull out here and get back on the highway. We're in Mississippi. We just crossed over the line, I believe, and we still got some miles to go to get to Dallas. So I'm gonna call in the morning here and see if we can't kick this off either first thing in the morning or tonight when we get to Dallas. Probably try to say first thing in the morning to let us instead of waiting until 7 p.m. to do it. It just makes it harder to find a place to park. So let's get out of here. Let's get on the road. Get back heading towards Dallas. We're cutting across on some back roads to get to 59 and go up to 20. That's the way we're going to go. Thanks for being here. Thanks for stopping back. And let's get this day started. Alright, y'all. Well, we made it to our delivery. Let me get by the front of the vehicle a little quieter here. We made it to our delivery. We're here. We actually got loaded about 26 hours. We got unloaded about 26 hours early. So we're going to call it here because they're going to have to hand unload the truck. And it's going to take a little bit. So I appreciate you all taking a ride with us on this one. Thank you for being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't do is grow this channel. So another thing, signed, sealed, and delivered. It's theirs.